going so far. I hope these gifts are making it a little bit more special and inspiring. So today is day 4, opening up our Sallie Tomato Co box. So today's gift is an envelope and it says, "So pretty, you are just going to love what's inside. Both items have been carefully selected for an upcoming project." So you'll want to save the contents of this envelope for day 6 when the project is revealed. So let's open this up and I'll show you what's inside. All right, so inside we have a cut of fabric. This fabric is designed by Ruby Star Society and it goes along with our theme perfectly. So we thought this was a nice, neutral, fun print for the project on day 6. And then you'll also need some webbing. So you have a cut of 1-inch cotton webbing that you'll save for day 6 as well. So that's kind of a hint to what the project is. So thanks for joining me today for another unboxing. Let us know in the comments if you're enjoying the gifts so far, and I will see you tomorrow for another gift.